welcome back to Amethyst Adventures with Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to show you our experience of putting together the Thornwood Hardtop Pavilion by Broyhill Legacy that we purchased at Big Lots. Let me give that disclaimer, honey. This is not an instructional video. This is our experience of putting up the pavilion. Blood, sweat, and tears went into that, honey. But it came out beautiful, and I'm so happy with the result. So stay tuned while we get... Just wanted to show you, we went last night and picked up the only Thornwood Hardtop Pavilion left in Northeast Pennsylvania, and I had to drive an hour to go and get it. So here it is, and my brother-in-law will be coming over this weekend to help us get this set up. So it came in 3 boxes, hella heavy, and here it is.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Here I
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.